This is the 43mm Huawei Watch GT3 Pro Ceramic. It has a 1.32-inch AMOLED color screen and weighs 40 grams without the strap. The GT3 Pro Ceramic watch runs on Harmony OS 2.0 and offers pretty much all the same features as the regular GT3, like the TrueScene 5.0 Plus sensors and over 100 workout modes. This model also comes with a titanium version in a 46mm size. What immediately stands out about this watch is definitely its ceramic build, the first ever ceramic watch that Huawei has ever produced. So let's unpack it. Unique point number 1. This beautiful 43mm model is made from nanocrystalline ceramic with a gold stainless steel bezel. Its pure white finish is achieved by diamond powder polishing, and it has a butterfly clasp as its lock mechanism. Ceramics are classified as inorganic and non-metallic materials. They are impervious to ultraviolet rays produced by the sun, which causes fading in other materials. Not to mention, they're known for their hardness and scratch-proof properties too. Hence, they are a reliable material for use on space shuttles, airplanes, and in appliances. Ceramics are also skin-friendly, making them ideal for use on watches. However, ceramics can be brittle and may fracture if they fall from a certain height. It comes with IP68 and 5 ATM water resistant ratings, and it has a sapphire glass dial as a protection for the display screen. Unique point number 2. With its durability rating, it can be worn during swimming in pools, along the coast, and for free diving as deep as 30 meters. In free dive mode, it records and displays diving data like depth, speed, and the duration of dives. Besides its underwater feature, this watch also has a feature for golfers that records swing speed, swing tempo, backswing, and downswing time. Unique point number 3. This GT3 Pro is equipped with a day and night theme that changes the watch face according to the sunrise and moon phases. Unique point number 4. This smartwatch does come with an electrocardiogram or ECG feature, unlike its previous model, the Watch GT3. However, it's not available in the Malaysian market at the moment. Once it's approved by the regulators, users will be able to use this feature through a software update. As an addition, a miniature-sized screwdriver and extra ceramic lugs are provided in the box. Removing and adding links to get the right fit is normal for premium watch enthusiasts. But for those who aren't, be very careful when exchanging the lugs as the screws are very tiny. The battery can last up to 7 days on a single charge, and this watch is priced at 2,399 ringgit. For its price range and upgraded features for golfers and divers, it could be a great addition for premium watch collectors.